evening, students. Here we come with our second part of this video. Earlier we have already started the chapter area of trapezium and a polygon. Now in the second part of the video we will study area of a polygon. Now we know that the plots and fields are generally in the form of regular or irregular polygons. We find their areas by dividing them into triangles, rectangles, parallelograms, trapezium, square, etc. So here in this chapter we will apply the same method, same concept in order to find the area of any quadrilateral. So let's take one question. Here in this question you have to find the area of the given pentagon, that is ABCDE, in which each one of sides, that is BF, CH and EG, is perpendicular to AD, such that AF equals to 9 centimeter, AG equals to 13 centimeter, AH equals to 19 centimeter, AD equals to 24 centimeter and BF equals to 6 centimeter, CH equals to 8 centimeter and EG equals to 9 centimeter. So all the sides are given in this given figure. Now we have to find the area of this pentagon. So in order to find the area of this pentagon, you can see in the figure we have divided the pentagon into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts, into 5 parts. Now we have to calculate the area of each part. So the area of pentagon ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABF plus area of trapezium BCHF plus area of triangle CHD plus area of triangle ADE. Now as we know from the previous concept that area of a triangle is half into base into height, and area of a trapezium is half into sum of parallel sides into height. So according to it we have applied the formula. So area of triangle ABF equals to half into AF into BF plus area of trapezium is equals to half into sum of parallel sides, that is BF plus CH plus into FB into FS, sorry, plus area of triangle CHD, that is half into HD into CH plus area of triangle ADE, that is half into AD into EG. Now upon calculating the sides we will get the required area. Here you can see, student, in this question that FH is not given to me. So in order to calculate FH we have to find its length upon subtracting AH minus AF, and in order to calculate HD we have to subtract AD minus AH, and remaining sides are given. So we have putted all the values. So we got 27 plus 70 plus 20 plus 108 centimeter square. So all total the area of the required pentagon, that is ABCDE, is 225 centimeter square. Now let's come to our next question. See, in this chapter we have to find the area of these polygons by dividing them into different shapes, such as square, such as rectangle, trapezium, triangle, etc. So let's come to our next question. Find the area of given hexagon ABCDEF in which each side measures 5 centimeter, height BE equals to 11 centimeter and width FD is equals to 8 centimeter. So you can see in the figure also all the sides have been already given. Now in order to calculate the area of the required hexagon we have to first join BE. Then area of hexagon ABCDEF is equal to area of trapezium ABEF plus area of trapezium BCDE. Here you can see, student, that both the trapezium are similar in size. They are identical to each other. So therefore, we may also write area of the required hexagon ABCDEF is equal to 2 into area of trapezium ABEF. So we know that the area of trapezium is half into sum of parallel sides into height, where you can see here in the formula it is written 2 into 1 by 2 into AF plus BE into FL, where FL is perpendicular to BE. Now, upon putting the value of AF, BE and FL, we get the required area, that is 64 centimeter square. Since we know that in the given figure, you can see here in the given figure, FL is half of FD. So therefore, the required height is 4 centimeter. Since FD is given 8 centimeter and FL is half of FD, so it is 4 centimeter. Now upon calculating it, we get the area of that regular hexagon, that is ABCDEF, as 64 centimeter square. So I hope that in this part of the video you may able to calculate the area of any irregular polygon by dividing them into number of figures or shapes. So students, I hope that you have understood the concept. Thank you very much. So see you again in the next video. Thank you.